Alright, hey, hello everybody. We just filled the Budgetter's break. It's been decided by the dice that we're going 4 times. 4 times. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Here's everybody in the break. Random.org. Here's all the sexy peeps in the house. Good luck, guys. 4 times. 1, 2, 3. Fourth and final time. Stupid Julian. We got Lakers are champs on top, Sirianna on the bottom 4 times. Copy that. Once again, Lakers are champs on top, Sirianna on the bottom. Alright, on to the teams. Here's everybody. One, 2, 3, fourth and final time. Good luck. We have Seahawks on top and Cowboys on the bottom 4 times. Seahawks on top, Cowboys on the bottom. Alright, we got Lakers are champs with the Seahawks. Bryce Peralt with the Dolphins. Flying V62 the Patriots. P doubles the Ravens. Batch the Chiefs. Undefined G20 the Bucks. Irish Chef the Titans. Batch the Browns. Lakers are champs the Broncos. Bryce Peralt with the 49ers. Jacob Monster the Falcons. Batch the Bengals. Q Master Q the Raiders. Undefined G20, I got the Bears and the Vikings. Bryce Peralt with the Bills. Undefined G20 with the Jags. Batch with the Colts. Undefined G20 with the Packers. Lakers are champs with the Rams and the Giants. V Guzman the Redskins. Flying V62 the Cardinals. JG 1086 the Chargers. Woohoo! JMK with the Steelers. Panthers, Saints, and the Lions go to undefined G20. God damn. How many spots does I have in this? Batch with the Texans. Lakers are champs with the Jets. Batch with the Eagles. Sirianna with the Cowboys. All those 50-50s that I joined. Feel free to sell or trade away. Bye-bye.